Hello children, look what I have for you today. It says, My Sound Book. Do you know that the sounds are very important for us to be able to read? And I'm sure all of you want to read storybooks. So, let's revise the sounds that we have learned so far. Are you all ready? Let's begin. A, t, I, p, n, k. And this is the curly k because it is curled up like a caterpillar. So what sound is this? K. And there is one more letter which makes the k sound. And this is k. This is called the kicking k. A. R. D. G. O. A. L. B. And now, can you see two letters? Do you remember? Sometimes two letters, when they become friends, they make one sound. So what sound is this? A. What sound is this? A. J. O. I. E. Or. Z. W. Ng. V. U. And sometimes it says ooh. Y. X. Ch. Sh. V. Qu. Ow. Oi. You. R. And that's the end of our sound book. Well done, children. That was great.